Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm sure you would have made lots of adjustment today because markets were super volatile thanks to Nifty, and I don't know why these people are keeping NSE people are keeping different expiries. Either you have to keep all the expiries on same day or you have to keep the expiries on the same day, right? So that's how all these days we were working. This Nifty came and it is totally screwing, it is adding volatility to the market. If you agree or if you are facing the same problem, please let me know on the comment section below, right? So what we did today morning, we had a delta neutral strategy. In fact, we are carrying a delta neutral strategy from Friday. It was in good profit today. And you know, at one point of the time, India VIX was up by more than 8.5%. So people started, our members also started panicking, and it went all the way to I think 14.59. India VIX was up by 9.5%, and eventually second half of today's trading session it came down and closed at 13.65. So that's how the markets behaved. And we didn't expect, like, we had a delta neutral strategy, then we converted that to delta negative, then again delta neutral, then again delta positive. Now we are, as of now, we are delta positive. Again, I'm saying thanks to Nifty and US market. I think US market yesterday there was some short selling, but it is okay still. Now it is okay. Not only US markets, Europe, all the markets are flat. And if you can remember, I told 2 or 3 days back that markets are likely to consolidate. See, I'll tell you something. Whatever happens, whether it is China war, China-India war, or Russia-Ukraine war, every dip is being bought into. So investors, whether it is investors or whether it is trader, they are just waiting for some dip to happen, and once that dip is formed, they are buying the market. So that's how markets are working now. So every dip is being bought into. That's what I can say. And likely what is happening is 18,600. If you see the charts, this 18,600 is being a very big hurdle now. When it comes to Nifty, this 18,600, for one or other reason, Nifty is not able to cross above 18,600. So I'm changing it from 1 minute, 5 minutes chart to daily chart. And if you see here, 18,600, right? 18,600 is big hurdle here. If you see here, on 14th of December, we saw market Nifty going to 18,658, and it is not going, it is not trying to move above, it is not moving above 18,600. That is the biggest hurdle, and Bank Nifty is already, it has touched lifetime high, no issues when it comes to Bank Nifty. If it retraces, if it comes to 41,000, maybe 41,500 or 41,700 or even 42,000 levels, it could be a good support, and from there we might see Bank Nifty moving on the higher side, and Nifty, as I told you, 18,600, and low strong support is seen at 18,000. So if you see this chart, there is lots of price action around 18,000. So on 18th of August 2022, that is 2 or 3 months back, there was a retracement, 18,000 rejected, came back to 17,200 levels, then went back to 18,000, then we saw around 16,000 levels, then markets are now killing it and going towards lifetime high. So this is a very important event. Hopefully market should consolidate. That's what I'm seeing, and that is what is happening. Whether it is Nifty or Bank Nifty, we are consolidating, and what I expect is markets are likely to expire between, I'm talking about Nifty, markets are likely to expire between 18,000 to 18,500, and Bank Nifty somewhere around 43,000. Bank Nifty doesn't want to give up 43,000. Today we had a straddle. Yeah, we had a straddle. Then once it touched, lower break even was around 42,800. Then once, if you can remember, today low was around, Bank Nifty low was around 42,920. Once it took 43,000, we changed, we did some extension, and immediately it reversed. And you have to remember, as an option seller, I'm sure you must be knowing, whenever you do adjustment, you tend to lose a premium. Let's say you construct a straddle, okay? Let's say you construct a straddle, maybe 2 lots, 5 lots, or even 10 lots. After you construct a straddle, let's say you have collected a total premium of maybe 50k or 60k, just tentatively saying, okay? Once you start doing adjustment, the premium which you have collected, maybe 50k or 60k or even 1 lakh, it tends to keep on reducing, maybe to 70,000, 80,000, 60,000, 50,000. So how do you manage this one? How do you want to you constructed a straddle and you don't want to compromise on the premium you have collected till expiry, you want to have this premium intact. So what you can do, right? So there are ways to manage those things. We'll talk about that in a separate video. It's a lengthy subject, and of course it is a big subject. We'll talk about that later in another video. Maybe this weekend or next weekend I'll post a video on that. Before that, I'll also try to write an article in our forum. So if you are new to this channel, you can join our forum also. We discuss many things in that forum, so it is going to be helpful to you, right? And looking at other things, I think not US Federal Reserve, US markets are all in the green, and I think not green, it is almost flat, and tomorrow hopefully we will open flat. That's what I think. And when it comes to US FIIs, both FIIs and DIIs have bought net buyers today. FIIs have bought for around 455 crores and DIIs have bought for around 494 crores. So this is a tug of war between FIIs and DIIs. So this is how the markets are looking. And as I told you, markets may expire, Bank Nifty may expire between 43,000 to around 43,500 levels. Let's see. If I think 43,500 is also very small range, maybe 43,700 levels. And when it comes to Nifty, it may expire between 18,000 to maybe 18,200 to maybe 18,600 levels. So that is what is my expectation, and as usual I can go wrong, right? So things like, see, I'll tell you, this is how markets are working, what we can do, right? And when it comes to open interest, what we can see is there are lots of puts being written on the lower side. So let me show you. If you see this Nifty weekly open interest chart, this is weekly. So what I can see is there is a strong support at 18,300. There is a huge put rating. That is 4.3 million, 43 lakh open interest is still pending at 18,300. That means market participants are expecting that the Nifty is not going to go below 18,300. And on the higher side, 18,500. That's why I told 18,200 to 18,500 might act as a support, might be the range for this week expiry. And when it comes to bank, I'm sure there will be lots of put writing in 43,000 to around 43,500 levels. So yeah, if you can see here, 43,000 is having around 10 lakh open interest. I'm saying put option is having 10 lakh open interest, and 44,000 is having the highest call open interest. So with that being said, you can understand that this is going to be the range. All you have to do is you have to know how to adjust the position and make the positions in favor of you, right? So nothing much, that's it. I'll see you in another video. Until then, take care. Bye.